Hello guys, I hope you are fine and fit during this lockdown period. So, today we'll be starting a new topic. Topic is same, only the thing is different. So, let us see what is a new concept. So, our new concept is today we'll be learning International Place Value System. In my previous video, I have taught Indian Place Value System. So today I'll be doing Indian Place Value System and winding up this topic. So, you have seen that I have written O, T, H, T, 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 H, T, M, T, M, H. You maybe might be confusing. What is this or? You may be thinking H2O is 100 tens and ones, as you have seen in my previous video, that is in the Indian Place Value System. T, T and T also know. Now what is H, T, M, T, M, H, M? You may be thinking, I hope so. So, these are nothing. So, O as previous only we write as ones, Ty we write as tens, H we write as 100. Again this T equals to 1000, TT is equal to 10,000. And HT equals to 100,000. M is equal to million. MT equals to million. TM is equal to 10 million. HM equals to 100 million. So now we have came same here after the decimal digit. I'll be not be teaching you decimal digit because mostly if you learn the Indian Place Value System you can do the decimal digits, and when you go to higher classes you are not asked to put commas in Indian or International Place Value System, but rather you are more focused on the up 100 tens, ones, 1000, 10,000 like that. So we are saying if a number is given, suppose 209876, same from the back side we will be starting from the from the backward side we will be writing all this number. Same like this we all will be continue writing every number. Here a difference is there. We put comma after from the back side three digits. This 0 no need to write, just I am showing you all. After every 3 digits we put. In Indian system what we used to do, suppose this number only let us take, we used to put comma after first 3 digits then 2 digits. Here we will be putting comma after 3 digits. Sorry, not here, here. Here you don't need to put comma if there is a no number. Okay, if there is a number till there you put. Suppose here it was, then you have to put. If here it is a 0, then you don't have to put. I hope you have understood this. Let us take this as 9 only now. It has become 9. So let us take as 9 itself. Okay. So this was our International Place Value System. Now I'll be giving some questions for my viewers. I request my viewers to please put the commas according to the International Place Value System and Indian Place Value System and send me the answers in the inbox. Here you can be seeing that I am writing few numbers for my viewers to do. So this 3 numbers I have given. In my next videos, I'll be teaching you how to write in figures the international place value system and the Indian place value system. It's very easy if you know to write the numbers, because in higher classes you will be not in the higher classes, in class 4, 5 or 6 you may be taught to write in figures as well as in years. So with this I'm closing this topic. So today we have learned about international place value system. First I have given you the denotions, that what and what we don't have to do. Means what are the denotions? Suppose for O, what is the denotion? Like that. And I have given you one number. I have taught how to write where to place the commas and all that. So with this I have completed my denotions, or you can say the placing of international and Indian place value system. I have not covered up the whole topic. I'll be doing how to write in figures in my coming videos. So with this, I hope you have understood the thing. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can please inbox me. I'm always ready to answer your doubts. So till then, thank you. Bye bye.